He went ahead and gave you one of your birthday presents?
Yeah, this one though.
These kids, let me fix their water. They always get shavings in their water. Yeah, let's go get their feed. The big chickens need some too. We'll go ahead and fill theirs up. You gonna do the big chicks?
Yeah.
Normal size. Hoods up.
Always working on this one. Big hole. Is it? That's it right there.
We just need new fuel.
That's all we need. Run up there and get it in this truck and crank. That's all it is. I knew that's what it was the other day. I really thought that's what it was the other day. We're always working on this truck. One of these days, if we keep putting new parts on this, we're gonna have a brand new truck. Right there. So we're fixing to replace this, and we're gonna be back driving this old junky thing, because we love this junky truck. We really do. We're not kidding. We really we'd rather drive this truck than the other one. This one right here, we really like it.
It needs a little facelift right here.
We like it like that.
Oh, okay.
Make people pay attention.
Okay. Manly left his cow in here. Some of y'all still ask about this old cow. He's still with us. It's getting a little bit too big for him, but he doesn't want to part with this one. I have a feeling one day his child will be bouncing on this little cow. He does not want to get rid of this thing. I'm trying to toss him back up the stairs and there he goes. Stay there, cow. We got finished with supper earlier today than we normally do. I already got everything cleaned up. We've been back outside for a little while and it is still just now 5:30. It looks like it's darker out there than it is because it's still cloudy from the little storm that passed through. I think I'm about to have to wash my rug. I showed y'all this one when I did the summer decorating video. I got it from Walmart and I really like it, but because it's white, you know, any kind of dirt shows up on it really bad. And I think it's washable. That's what I was wanting to look at. Right now, we'll just flip it over to the blue side, maybe. Let's see if it's washable. Clean the mat with a solution of mild dish soap and water, scrubbing with a soft nylon brush. Okay, we'll do that tomorrow. That's the good thing about it being reversible though. Just flip it over, nice and clean. Don't step on my mat, I just flipped it over to the clean side. I'm gonna work on the meal plan for this week while the kids are playing. Sissy, what did you want your birthday supper to be? Her birthday's later this week. Today we had the grilled chicken and the chickpea salad thing. That was really good. Let's see, tomorrow, spaghetti. They always say spaghetti. Tyler and Jonah will say spaghetti every time I ask them what they want to eat.
Especially
spaghetti. Anybody got any more ideas for suppers this week?
Oh yeah, Mom, I have a great idea.
What?
Pizza. Spaghetti.
Oh yeah, I had a barbecue chicken casserole that I don't think I ever made. I had it planned for 1 week, several weeks ago, but I don't think we made it. So we'll add that on here for a few nights away since we just had chicken grilled tonight.
We got her. We're now fixing to go wash it. I'm waiting for the next
Episode?
moment. Yeah.
To be continued.
I told the guy at O'Reilly's, he was like, said something, I said, we'll be back with this truck. He said, we'll be here.
I gave Mama the honey and the peanut butter. These ones are.
Jonah and Tyler ate the rest of them and he was like, what happened to the peanut butter balls? So we whipped up another batch real quick, huh?
I'm gonna put them over here.
Okay. It's the next morning, y'all. We're making some sausage and gravy biscuits. We've got Titus's oatmeal going over here. He has oatmeal every morning, so we've got that going for him. I made sausage patties this time because Manly and Sissy won't be getting up until later, and they wanted sausage patties, so I'm just, doing all patties, and then I'll make the gravy, and the boys can put the sausage on their biscuits or chop it up or whatever, however they want to do it. Throw some butter in there. I always add just a little bit of butter when I make gravy. You don't have to, but I feel like it stretches the gravy, makes it, makes a little more. So I'll throw in a little butter and get that melted. Now we'll pour in some flour. Mix that in really good. And we'll start adding the milk. Okay, that's about where we like it right there. We'll put some salt and pepper. And we are ready to eat.
Why is there size? Like that one is supposed to be a little bit big.
I found your Etch-a-Sketch.
Oh. Okay, everybody, we're going to a farm.
Yep. Titus and Tyler and Jonah left this morning, and they didn't realize that Jonah had put Tyler's stand and nippers and rasp in the garage. I don't know if he thought they were going in a different truck or what, and he just sat it over there. And when they got to the first farm, he realized he didn't have his trimming tools. So now we're going to meet him so they don't have to come all the way back home to give him his stuff. Sissy packed us all up some drinks. We've got Judy Moody's Not Bummer Summer that we're gonna be listening to going down the road.
This one. Tyler and Jonah's getting it set up for me there. And we got all these. These are barrel horses and roping horses. That's the new baby here. Pretty little thing. The daddy was a blue roan. Fallon is actually out there waiting on me.
Okay, y'all, we met them to give them Tyler's trimming tools and all. So he was like, do you just want to wait for me and I'll ride back with y'all and we'll go get something to eat. So that's what we're doing. While we're waiting, I'm gonna clean out my pocketbook. We'll do a little what's in my bag. It's always an adventure. First, my wallet, floss picks. We have floss picks.
Yeah.
We always need floss. One must always floss their teeth. This little thing, so I'll just grab this if I don't want to carry around my whole pocketbook and put whatever I need in here so I don't have to carry this thing around. Plastic forks. See, when we go places and we end up with extra forks, I always keep them. A top to a drink from somewhere, a pack of Big Red that still has a few pieces in there, a list, a red straw, another straw. I also like to keep straws because I love straws. I don't know why.
Don't give her a big straw that's stuck to bubbles.
I don't like the big straw. A Domino's card for a, let's see, free large pizza with purchase of a large pizza at menu price. Our neighbor gave this to the kids the other day, so got that. Lots of receipts, gum, trash. Another clip, or is this the same one? Little hair clip. Ooh, $1 that's in terrible shape. It's, yeah, we'll save that. Another straw and another clip. This little mama bear mirror, I got it from the Great Smoky Mountains. All the little stars fall. That's great, isn't it?
And the little circles.
Yeah, it keeps kids occupied. Like if you're waiting at a restaurant, just let them do this for at least 2 or 3 minutes. That's got you covered right there. Yeah, sure, there you go. A microphone. Testing 1, 2. It doesn't work anymore. We were gonna use it at church Sunday, but when Titus hooked it up, it didn't work. Some little espresso coffee shots. That's not weird.
No, not at all.
That's not weird at all. Some of the gas stations around here have these, and
In
their
case
coffee.
you're sleepy, you can just drink.
Right. Their coffee is not very strong, so I always put a couple of these espresso shots into the coffee. Another $1. Lip butter. This stuff is great, y'all. It's by Tree Hut. This is the watermelon scent. In the Sunday school basket, the kids have this little basket where they can pick a prize. There are Smarties in there, and so I have a few Smarties that
You
are
want
just
a
laying
Smartie?
there. And then a whole bunch of quarters. Well, oh, there's that other espresso shot. I knew I had 2 of those. Tell us when it beeps, okay?
Okay.
What number are we?
3.
Very good. Jonah was out here waiting. We were hoping to see the strawberry moon, but it's too cloudy here. We can't see it.
I just think it hasn't gone over the mountain yet.
Maybe. We'll see. There's Tyler. I don't know if y'all can see these fireflies, but they are so high up. It was like that last summer too. I mean, they're so way up there, up at the tops. Yeah, they're up at like the tops of the trees. Some of them are down low tonight.